going to learn about sentences and their types. At first, what is a sentence? A sentence is a word or a group of words that makes a complete sense. For example, I like flowers. The children are playing. Next, types of sentences. According to function, there are 5 types of sentences. For example, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement is called a declarative or an assertive sentence. For example, he plays cricket. Here in the sentence, he plays cricket, he is the subject, plays verb, and cricket is the object. So the sentence pattern is subject plus verb plus object. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Next, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? In an interrogative sentence, the verb stands before the subject and the sentence ends with the question mark. Next one is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or request is called an imperative sentence. For example, read the book. Here in the sentence, read the book. Read is the verb and the book is object. So the sentence pattern is verb plus object. Next one, optative sentence. A sentence that expresses a desire or prayer is called an optative sentence. For example, may you be happy. Here in the sentence, may you be happy, we find that may plus assertive. So the sentence pattern is may plus assertive equal to optative. Next one is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, how happy you are. Here in the sentence, how happy you are, we can find that the sentence ends with the exclamation